Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer. Find your contact list, of course, so just tap on the three bars icon here and go to contacts. Find the contact that you'd like to edit and tap on it, so I'll pick this one and choose this edit icon, so pencil icon. So here we've got something which is called picture and calling card, and even though I will focus on the picture today, in this video, I really highly recommend setting the calling card also, because you can simply change the background of the incoming call screen, which is great. Alright, so let me just tap on this option here, and we can choose from different sections, so device photos, the gallery, we can open the camera up to take a photo of someone who's right in front of us, Google Photos, our backed up photos, the monogram, so we can use one or two letters, just like that. We can also change the background color, we can change the font. Moreover, we can go to emoji, tap on it and choose from the list of available emojis. Again, you can change the background color. You can set it also in the monochromatic way. The illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, so if you do not have a photo, you don't feel like you want to use the monogram, you can choose something from those options. So let me choose, for example, the clam. So here we've got the presets of the colors, so you can just choose the option which you like the most. You can also tap on this customization icon and you can change different elements on your own according to your personal preference, which is also great. You can zoom in or out the photo, change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save. And this is how your contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.